Hello everyone, welcome back, and you are watching Technical World. If the share focus status grayed out in your iOS device, then keep watching this video until the end, because today in this video I'm going to show you how to get rid of this issue. So without wasting any time, let's get started. The first thing that we have to do, turn off and on share across devices. For that, what we have to do, we have to go to settings, then tap focus. Under focus, we have to turn off share across devices and wait for a couple of minutes, then turn on back. Next thing that we have to do, we have to go back to settings, then tap privacy and tap focus. Here we have to turn off messages, wait for a couple of minutes, a minute, then turn on back. Next thing that we have to do, go back to settings, then tap messages and tap focus to turn off. Here we have to wait for 30 seconds or a minute and turn on back. The next thing that we have to do, go back to settings and tap general and tap transfer or reset iPhone, tap reset and tap reset all settings. This process will delete all your customized setting to default setting, but no data or media will be deleted. Now we have to put iPhone passcode and tap again reset all settings to confirm. Finally, what we have to do, go back to general and tap software update and update your iPhone to a latest iOS version. That's it. Hopefully friends, you found this video helpful, so please don't forget to subscribe, like and share with your friends and family. Thanks for watching. Take care. Bye bye.